Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and easy heart. I turned mine into a keychain, but you can use yours for many other projects. I'll be using a 3.5mm hook and cotton yarn. We're going to start off by creating a magic ring. Now we're going to chain 4. And we're going to work 3 treble crochets into the magic ring. Now 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Now we're going to chain 1 and work a treble crochet into the magic ring. Chain 1, and we've completed half the heart. We're going to continue working into the magic ring. So now we're going to work 3 double crochets. Three treble crochets. Now we're going to chain 4. Now slip stitch into the magic ring to join the round. And now we're going to pull the string on the back to close our circle. And I like to tie this on the back just to secure it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.